Aventik Zeno glass. Tenkara rod. How to safely extend every section. It is best to pull out the section one by one like this. Let the two adjacent sections stuck. It is fully extended. Now, let's get the rod collapsed. The sections are also collapsed one by one. About the thick section, we can hold the adjacent two sections and rotate them, so that they can be released from the stuck state. About the thin section, we'd better pinch the thin rod with our fingers and rotate it slowly. Come on, pick one for your next fishing trip.